Yongquan will graduate with his PhD this year and will build the job market. And he's going to actively looking for research internship, postdoc, or faculty opportunities. And one thing is that, unfortunately, due to the visa issue, Yongquan was not able to present in person. So he provided a video, but he should be able to take questions on Zoom.
Hello, everyone. I'm Yongquan Hu. You can also call me Owen. I'm currently a PhD student at the University of New South Wales in Sydney. Today, I'm very excited to present our inward paper, MicroCam, leveraging smartphone microscope camera for context-aware content surface sensing. Before introducing, please let us think about a quick question first. In our everyday routines, when we are not using our mobile phones, do we typically lay them with the screen face up or face down? If you tend to place your phone face up, then you are our audience. The key to our approach lies in a unique camera lens, specifically designed for this purpose. We utilize Oppo X3 Find Pro. When in microscope mode, it can be set directly on the surface to capture its texture. However, in normal mode, if we put the mobile phone directly on the surface, it won't capture anything due to the limited focus. Also, you can use the microscope clip to realize similar effect. Here is the motivation of our work. In the realm of ubiquitous computing, numerous methods have emerged. However, when compared to these methods, surface sensing stands out for its ability to provide highly detailed contextual information. Building upon this foundation, the concept of place awareness was proposed. This concept involves identifying the material category of an object by simply placing devices on it, which facilitates the subsequent action inference. In this paper, our focus is on mobile-based sensing because people use mobile phone every day. Where we anticipate the ability to gather surface information when people place their phone anyway. For instance, as illustrated in the third figure, when a user goes out for an exercise and places the mobile phone in his pocket, it can still detect the surface and respond accordingly. Some mobile phones already have the built-in microscope cameras, but there also are plenty of microscope clips from different brands. As mobile devices improve, integrating microscope function into them is expected to be a future trend. Surface and material sensing can be categorized based on sensing modalities, each with their own pros and cons. In this work, we concentrate on optical-based sensing method. Visual information make up about 80% of the data people acquire every day. So optical data, such as images, videos, is extremely information rich. Currently, there are two main methods for optical-based sensing. They are based visible spectral imaging and multispectral imaging, respectively. Thanks to extra spectral channel, multispectral sensing tend to be more accurate than the other one. However, visible spectral images are more user-friendly and can also pack in more interaction details and even spot a specific pattern like QR codes. Furthermore, when compared with grayscale images used in Magic Finger, the RGB images utilized in our MicroCam clearly contain more semantic information, including color. This enhancement could boost detection accuracy and can be applied to more complex tasks in other stages. We also compared MicroCam with similar work, and the table clearly shows the comparison in some dimensions. For example, MicroCam used the rear camera, while the other, like SpectralPhone, backcam, is the front one. This simply means you can see your screen when using the MicroCam. That's why I asked the quick question at the beginning. This ensures that MicroCam interactions are user-friendly, distinguished, implicit, and subtle. MicroCam have some useful and interesting user cases. For example, the first one is placement-aware computing. Just imagine, put your phone on your desk or bed. MicroCam spots the surface type and thinks, are we just walking or relaxing here? Giving you tips or alerts that match the moment. The second one is on-body shortcut. Using different parts of your body as phone shortcuts with microphone. The figure shows in action. Activating different phone features use your hand spin, upper closing, and lower closing. Next, for finger swipe, MicroCam picks up on tiny finger slides, use its sensitive microscope lens. So, move your fingers at the back can control the phone interface at the front, giving you extra playful space to interact with your phone. The fourth is an interesting application called customized hidden tag. We are pleased with micro QR codes to create a kind of computer pattern on the white paper. It is very tough for humankind naked eye to recognize them, but MicroCam can do it easily and will pop up some related links. So similar effects can be imagined for mosaic images and tiny watermarks. Lastly, we are using microscope details to jazz up images taken by regular camera lens, helping them blend smoothly into their surroundings. Since we are used a deep learning neural network for recognition tasks, we built the required dataset by ourselves. We noticed that past work such as SpecCam dataset lack a unified taxonomy. For example, ceramic, wood table, wood duck, where object, color, and material, those concepts are mixed together and sometimes will get people a little bit confused. Therefore, we find the problem and try to solve it. We use two separate taxonomies, focus on object and material, same dataset, divided in different ways. Our dataset is now open source. If you are interested in it, you can visit our project GitHub homepage and contact us, get it, and also please cite our work. For system implementation, we show the workflow pipeline and continuous learning scheme here. We use red box to highlight the key components of each part, such as IMU-based motion status detection and experiment replay. That is the ER method for continuous learning. For more details, please refer to our paper. About the evaluation part, we conducted 4 studies. Here are the results. In short, our results demonstrate MicroCam higher recognition accuracy comparing to the baseline. Moreover, the introduction of ER method greatly improved the model's robustness and generalization. Still, please check our paper for more explanations. In conclusion, firstly, we propose a novel contact-based sensing with microscope camera. Secondly, we build an open source data set. Thirdly, we conduct comprehensive evaluations to show our effectiveness. Lastly, we hope this exploratory research shows the potential of microscope-based sensing interaction. In closing, I would like to appreciate all of our co-authors for their efforts and help, especially my 2 advisors, Professor Wen Hu and Professor Aaron Quigley. Thank you.